Okay, in this video we're going to have a quick look at ifs and nested ifs. So here we have level 5 student results. We have to insert the necessary formula to display the following. If the total score is greater than or equal to 350, then display excellent, else we're going to display try harder. So here we have to display the result based on the total score that each student got. So we click where we want the answer to appear, and every formula starts with equal. So equal, type in the function if, and we always open the bracket. And then we have our logical test. So if the total score is greater than or equal, so there's my total score, greater than or equal to 350. Then remember, the first comma is the then. We're displaying the word excellent, else, comma, and we're displaying the text try harder. Remember, we always use the inverted commas to surround the text. We check our formula. If H16 is greater than or equal to 350, then excellent, else try harder, and press return. And then fill it down. Right. And just to recap, within a standard if, there's just two conditions. Is either got greater than or equal to 350 or they didn't. So just two conditions. So then we move on to the nested if, where we can have more than two conditions. If a student gets a result greater than 80, then A, else if the student gets a result more than 70, then B, else if a student gets a result more than 60, then C, else if a student gets a result greater than 50, then D, else they're going to fail. So here we have conditions for A, B, C, D, and a fail. So in cell D25, insert the formula to calculate grade. So here's the grade, and there's the result that I'm basing it on. So the whole thing is to read the question carefully. Start equals if, bracket, what's the logical test? So it said a student gets a result greater than 80, then A. So if the result is greater than 80, then I have to display A, else, there's my else, and the else is followed immediately by another if. So I have to start another if function. So if, bracket, because after you type a function name, you always put an open bracket. What's the logical test now? If the student gets a result more than 70, so if the student result is more than 70, then they're getting a B, else, and again the else is followed by another if. The student result is greater than 60, so if the student result is greater than 60, then I'm getting a C, else, and again there's another if, so I'm opening another bracket. If the student result is greater than 50, then they're getting a D, else, and I'm on the last one now, so else, fail. So I would read through it to make sure I have met everything. If it's greater than 80, then A, else if it was greater than 70, then B, else if it was greater than if it was greater than 60, then C, else if it was greater than 50, then D, else fail. I just press return, and Excel will automatically fix my closed brackets. And this chap James got 77, so 77 is AB. Just fill it down. And 15s and 11s are failed.